When the baby starts their 3 a.m. solo but you already put in your precise moment his nap became a wrestling match with a tail he didn't even own. You and your roommate both reach for the last slice of pizza, but you have different evolutionary. Apex predators were ready for the hunt of the century until the lizard realized.
Ipa?
You tell a joke so good you have to check if the clouds heard it before you can start laughing. Gray Puppy really thought he had the upper hand until gravity decided to join the other team. 1 minute you are the king of the dog bed and the next you are just a floor decoration. Try to mind your own business, but your neighbor's property line is just too tempting to ignore. This is drive-through worker thought she was serving a human, but the manager showed up to perform a surprise quality. Grocery store restocks and you realize you forgot your reusable bag, but you are not about to make 2 trips.
No, get down.
You hit that one high note in the shower and suddenly believe you are the next global superstar. Dog spent 3 years training to protect me from the mailman, only to be humbled by a black bear doing parkour on the neighbor's garage. We are currently reconsidering our security contract.
We're halfway there.
Trying to look majestic while entering the party, only to realize I forgot. Spent 20 minutes perfectly mapping out my path, only to get cold feet on the very first step. My precision is unmatched, but my commitment to the mission is non-existent. One touch of the snow and it is a tactical retreat for me. Stay inside where the floor doesn't bite back. Your human buys a hairdryer, but you identify as a hurricane. The vet says it will be a quick poke, but you have already...
Trudy's like, I'm sorry.
Cat is checking to see if the dog's factory reset button actually works. You try to be a plant person, but your cat is a hater. is the only thing standing between you and a total meltdown. Your selfie gets an unexpected photobomb from a bird that clearly thinks you're hat.
Čeka u redu na meso. Pa ja sam fascinirana, bože što su jedan.
Calculations were correct, but the physics was missing as
and the elephants are coming and helping themselves, taking advantage.
Your 1000 designer puppy is defeated by a free cardboard tube. Life is hard when you are basically a sentient cotton ball. Try to be a terrifying apex predator, but you are actually just a sentient toasted marshmallow with anger issues.
It's all done. It's all
It's currently calculating the exact amount of parkour required to escape this neon noodle. Moment when you are finally about to enjoy your snack and the local giant decides it is his snack now. I have never seen a hamster vanish so fast. Mission failed. Intrusive thoughts win and you realize your human is way too comfortable on that couch. This cat is currently calculating the exact You are trying to act tough, but the wind knows you weigh exactly 4 pounds.
Maybe I am. Am I the villain? I don't think I'm the villain.
You finally get your own apartment, but your neighbors still want mind their own business. Friend trips and you have to decide between helping them or finishing your walk. Folding table never stood a chance once the Midnight Zoom Ice hit 5-star Grand Prix levels of chaos. 1 minute you are a piece of furniture, the next you are a casualty of war.
Meow.
You and your bestie see the delivery driver pull up, but they're walking toward the neighbor's house. Checking my backpack for my homework while my cat prepares to occupy the space I just cleared. fox realizes too late that the neighborhood is under new management and his name is not on the lease. This black cat just canceled his subscription to the food chain. For one, please. I brought my own cup and a lot of audacity. This is exactly why you don't leave the salad unattended in Bali. He really just walked up and joined the dinner party like he's the one paying the bill.
Cat having a drink from the tap and doing his licky thing. He's done this ever since he was a kitten.
You try to help with the homework, but your single brain. This stream of water is exactly what I need.
Wet.
Also, may I have immediately forgotten how physics and my own limbs work.
No, it's kishu. 너무 무서워해. 어떡해.
Long live the king. Long live the king. Wait, are you actually going to let go? The argument gets so heated you have to reboot into standing mode to re-evaluate your life choices. Told him to go play outside and he decided to become a breaded chicken cutlet. Mission failed successfully. Tag yourself, I am the tabby kitten who just wanted to help but ended up being the perfect getaway ramp for the birds. 1 star for hunting skills, 5 stars for teamwork. Precise moment when a 1010 commitment meets a 010 calculation. 1 minute you are the king of the dock, the next you are just...